I want to ensure that the patients understand that when they come to get care with me, they're going to get the best possible oncologic care. My name is Dr. Mihir M. Shah. I'm the Chief of Surgical Oncology at MedStar Washington Hospital Center. I'm the Associate Medical Director of Surgical Oncology Research for MedStar Health. A surgical oncologist is a cancer physician who performs operative intervention to help patients with cancer. As a surgical oncologist, we collaborate with different members of the oncology team, and that includes medical oncologists, radiation oncologists, nutritionists, palliative care physicians, social workers. These all help to offer complete cancer care for our patients. The most important thing a patient with pancreatic cancer needs is hope. And I think we as surgeons and cancer physicians can give them hope through clinical trials by offering them the latest and the greatest novel treatments for pancreatic cancer and analyzing the cancer for additional genetic changes that may be amenable for targeted therapy. For surgical resection of pancreatic cancer, one of the most novel techniques is using the robot for resection. Also, Whipple procedure is one of the most complex operations pancreatic surgeons do. At institutions where we do a fair amount of these operations, the outcomes are pretty remarkable. I'm very passionate about research because it impacts the lives of millions of patients, not only nationally, but globally throughout the world. So instead of impacting one life at a time, as a surgeon, I can impact millions of lives through research. My research involves clinical trials, which offers the latest and the greatest treatment to patients. Also studying diet and nutrition, how it impacts the development of cancer, as well as how it impacts patients who've been diagnosed with cancer and assess their response to chemotherapy. I think one of the most important philosophies that I hold to my heart is I treat a patient like I treat a family member. And when I treat a patient, it's not just the disease of the patient themselves. I think of that holistically. So I talk about their diet, I talk about their nutrition, in addition to talking about clinical trials, which offers the latest and the greatest treatment options available. As Chief of Surgical Oncology at MedStar Washington Hospital Center, one of my primary goals is to expand the care of cancer across the DMV region. I'm always excited to come to work, and I think one of the most important and privileges I have is to lead the division of surgical oncology out here.